All right, boys. Test run. Let's go. Let's try this out. It's my first time ever recording my face, so take it easy on me, please. I'm a virgin. All right. So for this test run, we'll be opening these 3 packs. 1 Chilling Reign, Uno Effusion Strike, and Brilliant Stars. So let's test our luck. If you guys have any input, you guys let me know what I can do to improve. Do we do a pack trick? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of my face, boy. Water energy, get out of here. Okay. I don't know about the angle of this camera, but angle of this camera. This is pretty good. Alright, next pack, Fusion Strike. A Fusion Strike! Out of here. Don't want to look at that. Back trick. Okidoki. Psychic Energy. Get out of here. Dude, imagine pulling Gengar right now. Dude, that'd be great. Fuck you. Alright, last pack. Chilling Reign. Let's do it. You like that, Elliot? I like that, big boy. Alright. Pack trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Another water energy. Okay. And wow, we got 1 pull. I guess that's it for now. Until the next upload.